I'm Christine Boyle, I'm the CEO of Senergy, and we design and develop solar thermal panels that are made of nano composite materials. This makes them lightweight, low cost and more flexible in terms of the design, architectural design that we can do. So in all, it makes solar thermal panels 50% less expensive to both manufacture and install. So the leadership programme really addressed all of the key and core strategic things that you need to do when you start off with a new engineering concept. So initially we looked at IP, intellectual property, and how that would be protected not just in the UK but globally. And we were connected into expert IP companies. We looked at the financial strategy and how we would grow and how we would need as much grant funding as possible in the early days, then move to patient capital and look at strategic capital. And that was really key because it's a long journey and you need to have enough finance to get you through that whole journey. We learnt the mindset of the engineering entrepreneur. So how difficult it was going to be to bring something to reality that didn't exist before, and how most people, the majority of people, don't believe that what you're doing is going to work. One of the things that really became apparent through the association with the Royal Academy was that you can have all of the funding in the world to help you develop, and funding is extremely important as a resource, but the value of networks is just crucial. People who have walked your path before, people who are willing to get behind you and give you support, people who are going to open the doors in terms of engineering expertise to get your product to where it needs, manufacturing expertise to get your product out the door, and then that commercial network to allow you to develop sales and build partnerships and build relationships is really key. The Royal Academy of Engineering gave me a huge brand on Senergy when I was just really early incubation proof of concept stage, and that is so important because when you go to apply for the next round of funding or go to speak to an investor, the fact that you've got that Royal Academy brand behind you saying we believe that this is really a commercial opportunity and it's an exciting idea, and that is so valuable and so important in the really early days. I couldn't have met a more friendly bunch of other engineering entrepreneurs who were just in the same journey as I was, and so right away I kind of felt bonded to that like-mindedness because we were all in this together, we were all in exactly the same boat. And then the programme organisers and the family within the Royal Academy couldn't have been more welcoming, and I know genuinely when I'm in London I do have use of the facilities there and I feel very much at home.